All right, number 13. For a carnival game, a jar contains 20 blue marbles and 80 red marbles. And we're listed with 4 different conditions, and we need to find which statement is true. And it tells us they're randomly selected, they are replaced, and they get a prize if it's blue. And Casey has drawn 6 red marbles in a row. All right, well, the last statement, it doesn't change the probability if he's drawn 6 red marbles in a row because they are replaced. Now, if they weren't replaced, yeah, you'd be taking out the losing marbles, so the red marbles, and that would change your probability, but they're not dependent on each other. So let's read through these answer choices. Answer choice A, if Casey selects another red marble, then 2 of her next 3 picks will be blue marbles because 2 blue marbles are selected for every 8 marbles selected. Well, this is not true because they are replaced after each time. So the probability is not changing from each drawing that Casey makes. So it's not going to make it 2 out of 3 for blue. What's the probability of blue? Well, there's 20 blue for a total of what? 100 marbles. So it's always going to be a 2 out of 10 or 1/5 chance to win. Okay, let's read B now. A is not right. B, the probability that Casey selects a blue marble on the next turn is higher than it was on her last turn because she has chosen so many red marbles in a row. All right, that's just called luck, or unlucky in this case, because she wasn't winning 6 times in a row. Even though 1 out of every 5 she should win according to the theoretical probability. So that has nothing to do with probability. That's just being unlucky. It doesn't change your probability. So that's not B. Let's read C. The probability that Casey selects a blue marble on her next turn is the same as it was on the last turn because selections are independent of each other. And that's what we're looking for. They are independent. And we'll just read D just for the heck of it. If Casey draws 4 more times, she will select 2 blue marbles because the probability that blue marble will be selected is 2 out of every 10 turns. Well, that's the theoretical probability. It doesn't mean that she will, and that's where the terms unlucky and lucky come in. She doesn't have to do 2 out of every 10. That's just the probability of it happening. So it's not going to be answer choice D. And there you have it.